Hey guys, Josh and Vicky here. Couple of nomads, thanks for joining us today. We are going to be taking you inside of this cathedral, as you see behind us.
Beauty of Valencia.
To see the one and only, supposedly, the real Holy Grail.
It's actually real Holy Grail. Like, who knew? Like, we had no idea it was actually in Valencia, but apparently you can find in this cathedral.
Now, the Pope has supposedly been here himself and blessed this and said it is the Holy Grail. Anyways, we're also going to take you up to the top. If you can see here, right behind me, is a big bell tower.
Yeah, it's supposedly really high. I think it's 280.
210, I don't know.
We're not quite sure about the number, but we'll check it out, put it down here. But you can see a beautiful view of the Valencia. So we're going to go get some steps in, go up there and check it out.
All right, guys. Well, we will see you inside. Next stop. All right, so we're gonna climb to the top.
This is how you get your steps in.
We made it to the bell. We're almost to the top.
Not done yet. Keep going. It's getting super steep and super narrow. Oh my God.
I'm breathing heavy here, guys. Sounds like we might have made it. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in and supporting our channel. If you could do us a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave us a comment. It's okay, I'll wait. We hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. Let's go.
You can get a 360-degree view of Valencia.
So over here we have some mountains. Out to the distance, you can see the ocean there. City of Arts and Sciences over here. And then our house is over there somewhere.
Look, there are locks.
Love locks.
Love locks for the couples.
Until someone cuts them off.
There's another one here too.
Huh? That one looks like it's getting a little rusty.
Oh, that was from Germany, 2017. Dang, it's engraved.
So it's made it 4 years. We just had fantastic news.
Guess what? One more new subscriber! Yay!
We're 72. Thank you very much, people.
Well, we're a small channel and try to grow slowly or hopefully faster. But thank you for every one of you for your subscription and watching our video. So, thank you.
Looks like we're forever stuck.
It's red light. That means somebody's coming up. The stairs are way narrow. There's no way it can go through more than one person at a time. So if somebody's walking up, that means we can't go down. So hopefully we can go down today.
Oh! 4 o'clock. Three o'clock.
3 o'clock.
Time to go. That was loud.
That was loud. Okay, we got
the green light. Let's roll.
Wow, that startled me.
Oh boy. Okay guys, I'm gonna turn this off so I can go down these stairs. As you can see, they're pretty narrow.
Yeah, they're not necessarily the safest narrow, so we have to focus on it. So see you down there.
So guys, going to the right, you can go visit the Holy Grail. And to the left, you go to the bell tower to the top. Dating back to the 13th century, the beautiful St. Mary's Cathedral took hundreds of years to build and therefore combines a mixture of artistic styles, including Gothic, Romanesque, Renaissance, and Neoclassical. Originally built as a Roman ancient temple, it was later used as a mosque and then taken back by the Christians. The cathedral's thick walls protect history and priceless treasures, like the artwork from Maya, Goya, and Juan de Juanes. It also holds the arm of the patron saint of Valencia, Saint Vincent the Martyr. Guys, we're now going in to see the Holy Grail.
The Holy Grail. Let's go.
There are many claiming they have the Holy Grail, used by Jesus Christ at the Last Supper. However, pilgrims from the world over come to worship it here in the chapel of the Holy Chalice in Valencia. The chalice has been used by multiple popes, including Pope John Paul II and Pope Benedict XVI. There are many theories on how the chalice ended up here, but one thing is certain: you cannot help but be moved by its awe and beauty while in his presence. For those brave enough, you can head downstairs to the dark passageways and see the only known catacombs of Valencia. During restoration here, human remains and relics have been found from the Roman times. The relics and remains are dated from the 1st and 2nd centuries. Warning, if you're claustrophobic or do not want to see human bones, I would skip this.
Okay, that was really cool. We got to hear that bell. God, that was loud.
Super loud.
It was cool, but there are a couple directly under the bell, and they got startled so bad. but it was beautiful. You could see like a view, and weather, just you can't ask for better weather today. Amazing. It's been raining, so this is amazing.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. We're here in Plaza de la Virgen, as you also saw. You can see the tower behind me there. So we're right outside the church and the cathedral. The Holy Grail, as you saw, you can only get so close to it. They have it roped off, so you have to be kind of far back from it. So I try to get as good of a picture as I can from, from the distance we're allowed to be at.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure.
Ooh, we are baking in the sun
with some beer.
We hope you enjoyed the video. hit that subscribe button.
And like the video, and please comment below what you thought about our video, and we love your feedback.
Yep, so we'll see you next time. Adios.
Hasta pronto.
Bloopers!
Feels nice. The back is warm.
Are you talking to the camera or are you talking to me?
I'm just talking to myself. I'm not talking to anyone.
Sounds like you're like passive-aggressively talking to the camera.
That was passive-aggressive. What is passive-aggressive? Just talking to myself, my back's warm because of the sun.
We got good news as of 10 o'clock last night.
Yes.
That they're gonna allow us to be outside of our homes until 10 o'clock, which we've already had, but bars and restaurants can stay open until 10 p.m. So
curfew doesn't change.
Yeah, the curfew doesn't
still
change.
10 p.m. But bars and restaurants can stay. Although seats can stay open until 10.
yeah, you're allowed to stay at the bar and restaurant till 10. You have to be home by 10. So I think the Valencia community has invented the teleport system. It's coming to you soon, where you can be in one place and then just think about it and you're at home.
It's an amazing thing.
At the same second.